How to use ComIDP online demo. Visit ComPDFKit website, click the IDP demo, and click the Experience Now button. You will get the guideline when you first launch the demo. And here you can see all the features that ComPDFKit supports. Please choose one option you need. Please click the settings icon and select the language for your PDF file for better results. Then upload your PDF files by click here, and the result will be displayed on the right. Now you can start experiencing all demo one by one. Intelligent document parsing. After uploading the PDF document, wait a moment, the result will be displayed on the right. You can choose to export it as JSON, Excel, CSV, or text format. If you only need text, you can choose the text format. Select the required text, copy, paste. Intelligent text extraction. Support to handle print and handwritten text, regardless of orientation. Support over 70 languages. Support extract text from documents, images, invoice, and more. And support copy the content directly. Intelligent table extraction. ComPDFKit uses a self-developed table recognition algorithm, accurately recognize and extract information from standard and non-standard tables, and supports saving it as a new worksheet, or directly copy and paste it into your Excel table. Intelligent stamp extraction. Recognize stamps in contracts and invoices across multiple industries, structuring the text on one or multiple stamps in different colors and shapes. Image distortion correction. Intelligently detect the edges of the images and utilize AI technology to correct distortion for deformed images, including tilt, skew, perspective, etc. Image enhancement. Intelligently sharpen and refine images to enhance text clarity and definition, improving overall picture quality and visual precision. See you next time.